Hi! Welcome to Recipe Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare extremely delicious but healthy and oil-free chickpea curry, black chickpea curry. So please watch the entire video. Subscribe our channel if you are not subscribed and click the bell icon to get notification. So let us go through the video. Here we took 1 glass of black chickpeas. Clean, wash and soak chickpeas overnight in water or for 5 to 6 hours. First, we have to cook chickpeas. Drain water, transfer chickpeas to a cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour 4 to 5 cups of water. Close the cooker and cook for 2 whistles. Then simmer for 20 minutes until the chickpeas are done. Now heat a pan over medium flame. Add half teaspoon of each fennel seeds and peppercorns. Add 3 dry red chilies, half cup of grated coconut, 5 number of shallots, 6 number of garlic pods and 1 small piece of ginger. Dry roast the ingredients without changing the color. Now add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder in lower flame. Roast until the raw smell goes off. Now I am going to switch off the flame. Allow the roasted things to cool. Add the cooled roasted ingredients to a mixer grinder. Add some water. Grind well. Now we are adding 1 chopped tomato to a blender and blend it to a smooth paste. Now open the cooker. The chickpeas are perfectly done. Now we are adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 chopped onion. Now add the ground masala paste. Add some more water. Mix well. Boil for about 5 minutes in medium to high flame. The gravy should be thick according to your consistency. This is a super delicious chickpea curry which can be served with Puttu, Appam, Chappathi or even with rice. So please try this dish and let me know how it came out. Thank you. Bye.